Hello and welcome to my review of the Nespresso Inissia XN100140. As you can see, the Nespresso comes with a water cylinder, the pods and also a welcome pack. The mug is actually mine. I've just brewed a coffee so I can demonstrate you and explain everything that goes on with this machine. A very simple machine to use and a very effective and quick. So, as you can see, I'm going to talk you through this. You have the water cylinder. The water cylinder literally slips onto the back of the machine, as simple as that. That now and then means the water supply is supplied to the bottom of the machine, as you can see. The Nespresso machine is so simple to use. It has two buttons. You have the espresso and the coffee option. As you can see here, you have the on and off button. So these buttons are, that's off. And that is now on. You have two buttons across the whole of the machine. Anybody can use this machine. This Nespresso machine is so quick and simple, and an effective coffee, as you can see, which recently has been brewed. The colour is absolutely amazing and the taste as well. This machine, literally, you have the lift handle. When lifting the handle, you can see the pods go into here. All you do is you drop the pod in, as you can see. You drop the pod in. Once the pod's in the machine, you pull down the handle, and then you select the option of which you would use. Of course, the pods are different. You have espresso pods, coffee pods. You have the option to pick an espresso or the full cup of coffee. The good thing about this as well, you can actually change the factory settings to actually supply the cups with more water. As you can see, this cup is a few centimetres from the top. Of course, I don't like my coffee black. I do like it with milk, and they do have other appliances to do this. So for example, I've now looked into purchasing the milk frother, which then of course, instead of putting cold milk into your cup of coffee, you'd put warm frothy milk in. The great thing about this machine as well, if you don't touch the machine for 9 minutes, it automatically switches off. Again, you do have the option of turning it on and off. However, if you're in a rush, totally forget, it has the automatically switches off after 9 minutes. You can see there is a drip tray and a disposal area. So this is where the pods go to. As you can see, recently brewed coffee. There's a few pods in there, and then you've got the drip tray there as well. When putting this back into the machine, I'll show you now, you can actually put two style cups. As you can see, this cup cannot fit underneath the machine. However, you do have the facility of lifting this up and then putting your cup of coffee in place. Doing the demonstration, putting your pod in, closing that, allowing the coffee to brew. The good thing about this as well, of course, the pods come with, the machine comes with 16 pods. Unfortunately, I only have 4 remaining. The coffee has been different. There's been some I really like, and there's some coffee that I don't like. However, what I would recommend to do with the 3 pods, of course, what I would suggest to you is to rate them between 1 and 10. This then gives you the understanding of what you're going to order when you come to a later date if you decide to continue. So, as you can see, the welcome pack, this welcome pack actually includes everything in there from what's available, how the machine works. Very useful. But, of course, it's very simple to use, so I haven't really referred to that. The only time I've really referred to the welcome pack is when the pods, of course, they've all got different names, different tastes, different richness, and stuff along those sort of lines. What I will say, I have referred to the pack for that reason. If you had a smell cam, I can tell you this coffee is smelling absolutely amazing. So I am going to go and enjoy this cup of coffee. However, before I go, I do want to thank AO for doing this and allowing me to review this Nespresso Inissia. This machine is absolutely lifesaver. It's along the lines of a quick and easy cup of coffee within 30 seconds, if that. Setting the machine up takes you under 10 seconds. A press of a button and instant coffee with nearly, I'd say, under a minute. Once again, thanks again to AO, and I hope you enjoyed my review.